an equation of the form which is written as ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, where a, b, c are any real numbers. These are real numbers, can be any real number. And it is necessary that a should not be equal to 0. Why? Because if you will put a 0, this term will become 0 and you will have linear equation in one variable, and we are studying the linear equations in two variables. How many variables? Two variables. So we have to make sure, or in every equation you will find b and a should not be equal to 0. C can be equal to 0. If c is 0 or not 0, it will not affect on the linear equation of two variables. It will remain linear equation of two variables. But if any one variable will become 0, then it will become a linear equation in one variable that we studied already in class 8. So then, and x and y are variables. You know that x and y are variables. So we studied one variable equation in previous class. Now we are starting the linear equation in two variables. So why it is called linear equation? Because the power of x and y is 1. If the power of x will become 2, it is not a linear equation. It will become quadratic equation. Okay. And if power is cube, it will become cubic equation. So we are studying linear equation, not a quadratic equation. That means the power of x and y is 1. In every equation, you will find x and y only with one power. So it's called a linear equation in two variables. In two variables. Okay. For example, we can say that, for example, we can write some examples. Minus 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. C can be written left side or right side. So that's why in some books you will find this format, or ax plus by is equal to c. Either the c is written on left side or right side, it is a linear equation. For example, minus 2x plus 3y is equal to 4 is a linear equation. Root 2x. Root 2 is a real number. Root 2 minus root 3 y plus 9 is equal to 0 is a linear equation. Okay. Similarly, if it is written in fraction also, it is a linear equation, because fractions are also 3 by 5x minus 5 by 2y plus 13 is equal to 0 is a linear equation in two variables. So like this, or if it is written in a simple way, all positive numbers also, every equation which is in this format, which format? Ax plus by plus c. This format, any equation which can be written in this format is called a linear equation. Okay. One more thing here, in every equation you should know what is a, what is b, and what is c. So generally 4 will be taken if we take equation number 1, and we will write in the format ax plus by plus c. So 4 will be taken on left hand side. So all terms should be transposed on left hand side, and then you can say that it will compare with the this standard form of the equation ax plus by plus c. So what is before x? before x a. So what is here before x? The coefficient, that is called the coefficient of x, that is minus 2. So therefore we can say here a is equal to what? Minus 2. And when you compare with the coefficient of y, that is b, here b is 3. So b is 3. Similarly, constant term c is minus 4. So like this we can write for each equation a, b, c under root 2x, but it should be first transpose all the terms on left hand side and then you can take. So this format, actually we are not following this format in CBS, although it is also a linear equation. For definition, all we can say this is an equation, but we are following for C left hand side. Left hand side term we will take as C. So that's why. So here A is what? Root 2 and B is minus root 3. Don't forget to take the sign minus root 3, and constant term is 9 in this equation. Similarly, equation number 3. In equation number 3, A is equal to 3 by 5 and B is equal to minus 5 by 2 and C is equal to 13. As it is written already in the standard form, so no need to convert. But here you have to bring 3 left hand side first. So x plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. So here there is no number, that means 1 is there. So what is the value of A? 1. And B, that is the coefficient of y, is 2 and C is equal to minus 3. Okay. So this is one of the things how to write the linear equation and how to write the coefficients of x and y. Correct. Now, second thing, solution of linear equation. As you know, solutions are of any equation. Solution is the values of x and y which are going to satisfy the equation that are called the solutions of the equation. Same thing will be applied here also. So now we will take, just we will write what are the solutions, how to find also that simply solution can be taken by using the, if it is only one equation, then we can have trial method. We can put the different values of x and y to get the solution. So solution of linear equation in two variables. Solution of, now we'll take solution of linear equation in two variables. Solution means, I will explain you first what is solution. For example, let's say I will write here also example later on. 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Suppose this is a equation. Okay. Now, if you will put x is equal to here 3 and y is equal to 2. Okay. So the question you must be thinking about why you have taken 2 and 3. So that I will tell you later on. First we see what are the solutions. So if we reach to this point, how we will reach, that I will tell you. So this, if you will put here 2 into 3 plus 3 into 2 is equal to 12. So 3 2 is 6, 3 2 is 6 is equal to 12. So 12 is equal to 12. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Or if you will bring 12 here, you will get 0. So that means it is a solution. So this pair x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. Therefore, we can say x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2 is a solution of this given equation, because the is a solution of the given equation, because it is satisfying the equation. So this is an ordered pair 3 2. So 3 2 is a solution of, also we can write is a solution of the given equation. Always x will be written first, y will be written second. Hmm. So x and y are the solution 2, 3 and 2. So that means the pair, ordered pair which is satisfying the equation. So any pair of values, so how we can write the definition that any pair of values of x and y, values of x and y which satisfies the equation x and y which satisfies the equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is called its solution. Like I have given the example, is called its solution. First you will write this, and then this is the example. Then after that you can write this example. And this solution can be written in this format as I told you, or x is equal to y is equal to anyway. So this solution can be written as can be written as an ordered pair. Ordered pair means first is always x, second will be y. So that means that is why this has the order. First order x, second position y always. First writing value of x and then writing value of y. So first writing always value of x. You will write opposite, this will not satisfy. That's why you should be careful when you're writing in this format. X should be written first. So first writing value of x and then value of y. That is why it is called ordered pair. Then value of y. So this is the first part where we are doing the introduction of linear equations, and some questions will be done. Then graph of the linear equation will be started next. So now we can take some questions from our textbook regarding this. So if you see this, the right, we how to convert a given condition into linear equation. Hmm. So that is based here in exercise 4.1. 4.1, question number 1. We have to convert it into linear equations into variables. Actually, this we have already done in previous class, but that was that was one variable. Now we have two variables. So the question is, the cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation. So we can have anything first. Let x rupees x, or let rupees x be the cost of a notebook. we will be given two things: cost of notebook, cost of a pen. In every condition you will find x and y. You have to suppose the question will be based on two. Here it is based on cost of notebook, cost of pen. So we will have, let x be the cost of a notebook and rupees y be the cost of a pen. It's simple. The condition is cost of a notebook is. So cost of a notebook, how will you convert into an equation? Always the cost of a notebook, write the given condition. Cost of a notebook. Then wherever is written, you can replace by is equals to. Then twice you can replace by 2 into cost of a pen. Now you can replace what is the cost of a notebook is x and cost of a pen is 2 into y, 2y. So we get the equation x minus 2y is equal to 0. Okay. So like this, now I'm giving some time to you to solve this. If you don't have textbook, you can see from here now. So this question here, I have done already. How to do it? You can take it on the left side and write the values of A, B, and C. So just giving you 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, after 5 minutes or 2-3 minutes, I will ask you the answers.